Listen up, you, glued to your screen, buried in spreadsheets, think you're too busy to cook? Nonsense. You can close deals but can't spare 10 minutes for your health. Ridiculous. Today on SlimSync, I'm showing you 3 ultra-fast Western meals for busy professionals. Real food, bold flavor, ready in minutes. Forget sad microwave meals and overpriced delivery. We're making proper food, fast, no fluff, just damn good meals that work as hard as you do. So, stop whining and let's get cooking, now. Alright, let's kick things off with a dish that's about to change the way you cook chicken forever. Peppercorn garlic chicken skillet. This isn't just another recipe, it's a wake-up call for your taste buds and your kitchen skills. Let's be honest, boiled chicken breasts are the culinary equivalent of a snooze button. They're bland, rubbery, and do nothing for your appetite. We're not here for that. We're here to build layers of flavor, and we're going to do it fast, with just a few simple steps that make all the difference. The first secret? Heat. Get your pan absolutely screaming hot. I'm talking so hot you can feel the heat radiating from a foot away. If you're not a little nervous about how hot your pan is, you're not there yet. This is how you get that beautiful golden crust that makes restaurant chicken so irresistible. Next, pat your chicken breast dry. Really dry. Any moisture left on the surface will turn to steam, and steamed chicken is the enemy of flavor. Dry chicken means a crisp, caramelized exterior and juicy, tender meat inside. Don't skip this step. It's the foundation of great searing. Now, add just a whisper of olive oil to the pan, enough to coat the bottom, but not so much that your chicken is swimming. You want the oil to shimmer, almost dance in the pan. That's when you know it's ready. Lay the chicken in, always away from you to avoid splatters. Listen for that satisfying sizzle, the sound of flavor being born. If you don't hear it, your pan isn't hot enough. That sizzle is your ticket to a golden, flavorful crust. Here's where patience pays off. Don't poke, prod, or move the chicken. Let it sit, undisturbed, so it can develop that deep golden crust. This is where the magic happens, where flavor gets locked in and texture is transformed. While the chicken sears, grab a clove of fresh garlic. Don't even think about reaching for that jarred stuff, it's a shortcut to mediocrity. Smash it with the flat of your knife to release all those fragrant oils. This is real, honest flavor, and it's going to make your kitchen smell amazing. Next, crack some fresh, black pepper. Not the pre-ground dusty powder that's been sitting in your cupboard for months. Freshly cracked pepper is bold, aromatic, and it's the first step to building a punchy, unforgettable flavor profile. When the underside is beautifully golden, flip the chicken with confidence. Lower the heat just a touch. This helps the inside cook through without burning the outside. You want juicy, not dry. Now toss in that smashed garlic. Let it sizzle gently in the oil, infusing the chicken with its rich, savory aroma. Watch it closely. Garlic goes from golden to burnt in seconds, and burnt garlic is a flavor killer. Sprinkle in your cracked black pepper, let it toast in the oil, releasing its essential oils and deepening the flavor of the whole dish. This is how you build complexity in just a few minutes. By now your kitchen should be filled with the mouth-watering aroma of seared chicken, toasted pepper, and fresh garlic. This is the kind of smell that brings people running to the table before you even call them. Check the chicken for doneness. It should feel firm to the touch, but still have a little give. If you're unsure, use a thermometer. You're aiming for 165-degree conv at the thickest part. Overcooked chicken is dry and sad, so don't let it happen. Right before you take it off the heat, squeeze fresh lemon over the chicken. The steam will carry that citrusy brightness through the whole dish. Skip the plastic bottle, real lemon juice is the only way to go. For an extra pop, add a little zest. Let the chicken rest for a minute or two before slicing. This lets the juices redistribute, so every bite is moist and flavorful. Cutting too soon means all that goodness runs out onto the board, instead of staying in your chicken. Slice the chicken against the grain for maximum tenderness, and plate it up with some steamed green beans or a crisp, simple salad. The colors should pop, and the meal should look as good as it tastes. Notice, there's no need for heavy, creamy sauces here. The flavor is built right into the chicken thanks to your technique and those fresh ingredients. A little finishing touch, like a drizzle of good olive oil or a sprinkle of flaky salt, is all you need. This is real food. Lean protein, bold flavor, and it's on your table in under 10 minutes. No more excuses about not having time to cook something delicious and healthy. So next time you're tempted to say you're too busy, remember this recipe. You can make something incredible, even on your busiest days. It's all about working smarter, not harder. You're in control now. No more excuses, no more bland meals. You've got the skills, the know-how, and the confidence to make every meal count. Clean your station, reset your space, and get ready for the next dish. Because once you start cooking like this, you'll never want to go back. Let's go. Meal 2, Speedy Mediterranean Beef Bowl. This is the kind of meal that proves healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. In fact, you can whip up something delicious, nourishing, and satisfying in less time than it takes to order takeout. Let's break it down step by step, so you can see just how easy it is to eat well, even on your busiest days. Need something substantial but light? This is it. The Mediterranean beef bowl is all about balance, lean protein, fresh veggies, bold flavors, and none of the heaviness that leaves you feeling sluggish. It's a meal that keeps you energized and focused, perfect for powering through a packed schedule. Start with high heat and lean ground beef. This means you get all the flavor without the greasy mess. Using lean beef keeps things light, but still gives you that satisfying savory bite. The sizzle as the beef hits the pan is your cue that you're on the right track. Brown the beef, breaking it up with your spatula as it cooks. Listen for that satisfying sizzle. It's the sound of flavor developing. You want the beef to get a little color, which means more taste in every bite. Don't rush this step. A few extra seconds here makes a big difference. While the beef is browning, grab a zucchini and chop it into bite-sized pieces. Quick, decisive cuts are all you need. No fancy knife skills required. Zucchini adds bulk and nutrition, soaking up all those savory juices from the beef. Toss the zucchini into the pan with the beef. Keep everything moving. This is a fast sauté, not a slow stew. The goal is tender, crisp zucchini, not mushy. Stirring frequently ensures every piece gets coated in flavor and cooks evenly. Now it's time to build flavor. Sprinkle in dried oregano, a pinch of cumin, and a dash of smoked paprika. These spices are the heart of Mediterranean cooking, bringing warmth and depth to the dish. Let them toast for a minute with the beef and zucchini. This wakes up their aromas and infuses the whole pan with incredible flavor. Take a moment to smell the pan. Those spices mingling with the beef and veggies are pure magic. Taste and adjust your seasoning. Maybe a little more salt, a crack of black pepper, or an extra sprinkle of herbs. Cooking is about making it your own, so trust your taste buds. The best part? This all comes together in under 10 minutes. Seriously, set a timer and see for yourself. It's fast food but made at home and infinitely better for you. Now, let's build your bowl. Start with a generous handful of fresh spinach at the bottom. Spoon the hot beef and zucchini mixture right on top. The heat from the pan gently wilts the spinach, so you get all the nutrients without any extra cooking. It's a clever shortcut that saves time and adds freshness. Finish strong. Scatter over some fresh parsley or mint for brightness, a sprinkle of tangy feta cheese, and if you want a little crunch, a handful of toasted pine nuts. These toppings take your bowl from good to restaurant-worthy, adding color, texture, and even more flavor. Just look at that bowl. Vibrant greens, juicy beef, golden zucchini, creamy feta, and a sprinkle of herbs. It's generous, packed with protein and veggies, and totally free of heavy carbs that weigh you down. This is food that fuels you, not food that slows you down. This is how busy professionals eat well, fast, smart, and full of flavor. No more excuses about not having time or not knowing what to cook. With meals like this, you can nourish your body, stay energized, and keep crushing your goals. So next time you're tempted to skip a meal or grab something unhealthy, remember, it's not rocket science. It's just good food, made simple. Next up, lemon herb shrimp power plate. This is your 5-minute emergency meal, the answer to every "I don't have time" excuse you've ever made. Whether you're coming home late, need a quick lunch between meetings, or just want something healthy and delicious without the wait, this dish is your new go-to. It's so fast, you'll barely have time to set the table before it's ready. Shrimp are the ultimate fast food, except they're actually good for you. They cook in just 2 to 3 minutes, delivering pure, lean protein that fuels your body and keeps you satisfied. No marinating, no waiting, just instant results. Start by getting your pan screaming hot. Add a touch of oil, olive, avocado, or whatever you have on hand. The key is high heat, so the shrimp sear quickly and develop that irresistible golden crust. Pat your shrimp dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial. Dry shrimp sear, wet shrimp steam. You want that beautiful caramelization, not a soggy mess. Season simply and generously. Salt, pepper, maybe a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. You don't need fancy spices. Let the shrimp shine. Toss the shrimp in the seasoning, making sure every piece is coated. Then, lay them in a single layer in your hot pan. Listen for that sizzle. It's the sound of dinner coming together in record time. Don't crowd the pan. Give each shrimp its own space so they can sear, not steam. This is how you get that restaurant quality texture at home. Let them sit for a minute. Don't touch. Then, flip each one. You'll see them turn pink and opaque almost instantly. That gorgeous color means flavor. In under 3 minutes, your shrimp are perfectly cooked, juicy, tender, and bursting with taste. While the shrimp finish, grab a handful of fresh herbs, chop up parsley, dill, chives, whatever you have in the fridge. Fresh herbs add a pop of color and a burst of flavor that takes this dish from simple to spectacular. Kill the heat and squeeze half a lemon right over the shrimp in the pan. The steam rises, the aroma hits you, and suddenly your kitchen smells like a 5-star restaurant. Toss in those fresh herbs and give everything a quick stir. The herbs wilt just slightly, releasing their oils and fragrance. It's bright, fresh, and clean, exactly what you want in a power plate. Now, serve your shrimp over a bed of peppery arugula or mixed greens. Or, if you want to bulk it up, add some quick-cooked asparagus or juicy cherry tomatoes. This meal is endlessly flexible. Use whatever veggies you love or have on hand. Don't forget the pan juices. Spoon them right over your greens. They're packed with flavor and act as a built-in dressing, making this a self-dressing salad that's both satisfying and light. What you've got is a plate that's beautiful, nutritious, and totally guilt-free. It's the kind of meal that makes you feel good about what you're eating. Colorful, vibrant, and full of life. This is the end of I don't have time. No more skipping meals, no more settling for takeout or processed snacks. You can make real food fast, even on your busiest days. 3 meals, chicken, beef, shrimp, each one designed for busy professionals who want to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. These are your new weeknight heroes. No more excuses, no more delivery apps draining your wallet and your energy. You've got everything you need right here, right now. It's just you, a hot pan, and damn good food. The power to eat well is literally in your hands. So what are you waiting for? Get in the kitchen, fire up that pan, and cook something amazing. Your next meal is faster than your last excuse. There you have it. 3 incredible meals, faster than your excuses. Peppercorn garlic chicken, Mediterranean beef bowl, lemon herb shrimp, delicious, powerful, and built for results. No more too busy excuses. You have the toolkit, use it, master these meals, see the changes you want. The right time is now. Take back control of your health, one fast meal at a time. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more SlimSync recipes. Don't be a donut. Get cooking. See you next time. Ready to work, ready to cook, ready for results.